There are a couple different ways to connect your phone via Bluetooth to your new Macan Electric. One is through phone and the other is through devices. For this video, we'll select phone. Then on your mobile device, you'll select Settings, Bluetooth, and Connect Phone on the PCM. And here it is, my phone, Porsche phone. You'll receive a pairing request. Select Pair. Would you like to allow your contacts and favorites to sync? Select Allow. Would you like to connect Apple CarPlay? Connect. On your PCM screen, there is another request for Apple CarPlay. Select Yes, I agree. The second way to connect an Apple device via Bluetooth to your new Macan Electric is devices. We're also going to show you here how to connect a second Apple device to your new Macan Electric. Select Devices, Connect New Device. On your mobile device, select Settings, Bluetooth. Here you can see second phone pop up. You have a pair request on your mobile device, select Pair. Would you like to allow your favorites to sync? Select Allow. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? Yes. It's asking for permissions. Select Yes, I agree. Now what's happened is it's moved the Apple CarPlay from the previous connection with the previous Apple device to this newly connected device. You can manage switching that back in Devices. Here you can see these three icons and then the three dots. You can select the icon, say for instance, I would like for this particular phone to be the phone I use for calls. You just select that icon there. If I would like for my personal phone to be what I use for Bluetooth music, I can select this icon. As you noticed here, it took off Apple CarPlay and changed it to Bluetooth music there. You can connect Apple CarPlay by just selecting either of these icons. Now there's another way in which you can manage this. You can do so by hitting the three dots there on the end. You can choose which phone is the preferred phone, which one you want to use for your calls, music player, and of course Apple CarPlay. I would like to use this as my preferred phone, and I would like to use Apple CarPlay. And finally, let me show you how to delete a device you don't want on your devices menu. Okay, we'll see this one right here. I'm going to delete that just by swiping to the left. You now can connect your Apple devices via Bluetooth in your new Macan Electric.